Hi dear student, good morning. Today we have to study mathematical operation on decimal numbers. Okay. All of you know what is meant by decimal numbers, then expanded form, then how can decimals converted into fraction, fraction converted into fraction, all things. Yes. All of you know. Yes. Today we have to first study addition of decimal numbers. Addition of decimal numbers. One question, addition means what? Numbers taken together. Okay, so here given one question. Add 4.05 and 2.31. Okay, one question. Add 4.05 and 2.31. Okay, first take and write these two decimal numbers in column ways. Column ways means what column ways is in the just take as the place values. Okay, here tens, ones, tenths. Okay, tenths, then hundreds, etc. Okay, here 4 is in ones place, then next decimal, 0 is in 10th place, then 5 is in 100th place. It is column based arrangement in our place value table. Okay, the next 2 is in ones place, 3 is in 10th place, 1 is in 100th place. Okay, next give addition symbol. First add the 100th columns. 100th columns. Here 5 plus 1, 6. Next 10th column, that is 0 plus 3, 3. Then give the decimal point. What is 4 plus 2? 6. Our answer 6.36. 6.36. Right. Let's next question. Question number 1 and 2. Okay, first question all of you right? Yes. Question number. Next question. It is question number 2. Question number 3. Question number 2. 0.7 plus 0.08. First write in column base. It is vertically arrange the digits. Okay, that is first 0.7. Here 7 is the 10th place, 0 is in the ones place. Okay, next 0.08. 0.08. That means here 0 is in the 10th place, 8 is in the this place 100th. Here 100th place have no digits, so put 0. Okay, so put 0. Then add 0 plus 8, 8. 7 plus 0, 7. Then decimal 0. Okay. So answer 0.78. Okay. Here addition what? This does whole numbers. Whole numbers എങ്ങനെയാണോ ചെയ്യുന്നത് അതുപോലെ തന്നെ ആഡ് ചെയ്യും. Okay. Here 0 plus 8, 8. 7 plus 0, 7. Then 0 plus 0, 7. Here give decimal point. Okay. നമ്മുടെ place values അനുസരിച്ച് column base arrange ചെയ്യുക. Here have no digit. Okay, that means so here put 1 0. Okay. അതായത് നമുക്ക് ലൈക്ക് ഡെസിമൽ ഒരേപോലത്തെ ഡെസിമൽസ് ആക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് ഇവിടെ ഒരു 0 കൊടുത്തത്. 0 കൊടുത്തില്ലെങ്കിലും പ്രശ്നമില്ല. ഓക്കെ. Then question number 3. 0.007 plus 8.5 and 12.32. Okay, first write first number 0.007. Okay, after the decimal 3 digits. Next 8.5. Okay, here have no digits, so put zeros. Okay, then 12.32. 12. That in 12, 2 is in ones place, 1 is in tens place. So write as 12, write as like this. ഇതുപോലെയാണ് 12 വരുന്നത്. 12.3 2. Here put 0. Then add. What is 7 plus 0 plus 0? 7. 0 plus 0 plus 2. It is 2. 5, 0, 5, 3. What is the answer? Is 8. Decimal. 8 plus 2. Answer 10. The 0 only put here. 1 write in the next place. That is 1 carry over to tens place. This 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So our answer 20.827. 20.827. Very clear? Addition of decimal numbers. Let's write these two questions with answers also. Yes, next question, our fourth question. So fourth question, 4.381. Okay, first vertically arrange 4.381 plus 5.72. 5.72. Okay, here 10th and 100th place is here, but 1000 place has no digits, so put 1 0 there. Okay. Okay, like ആക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി ഒരുപോലെ ആക്കാൻ number of digits ഒരുപോലെ ആക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി നമ്മളോട് 0 കൊടുക്കുന്നു. Okay. So 381720. Okay. 3 digits, 3 digits. Okay, clear? Then add 1 plus 0, that is equal to 1. 8 plus 2, that is 8 plus 2 equal to what? 10. Okay, this 0 only right here, that 1 carry over to next place, that is 10th place. Okay, 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. 0 right here, that 1 carry over to 10th place. Then next is 7 plus 3 equal to 10. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. Okay, 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. That this 1 carry over to 1's place. Okay. Then here put 0. Decimal വരുമ്പോൾ ഒരു decimal അതുപോലെ കൊടുക്കാം. Then here 1 carry over to where 1's place. Then add 5 plus 4. 9. 9 plus 1 10. Okay. Here have no digits, so this one also right. Okay. So our answer 10.101. Okay, how can I read the answer? 10.101. Okay, very clear? These two questions are homework. Okay, right. Yes, next we have to study next mathematical operation, subtraction. Subtraction of decimal numbers. Subtraction of decimal numbers. Here, our first question, subtract 18.25 from 20.75. Okay, 18.25 from 20.75. That is, what is the meaning? 20.75 minus 18.25. This is the meaning. Okay, how can subtract? Yes, 20.75, that is subtract vertically. First arrange column base, that is 20.75 minus 18.25. Okay, yes, subtract 5 minus 5, 0. 7 minus 2, yes, 5. 0 minus 8, it is not possible, so but take 1 from this one tens from this. Okay, so this 2 tens change to 1 tenth. The 0 ones tends to 10. Okay, then we take 10 minus 8, that is equal to 2. 1 minus 1, 0. So our answer 2.50. Answer is equal to what? 2.50. That means 2.5 is our answer. 2.5 is our answer. Very clear? First question and answer. This first column wise arrangement. Okay, as in our what place values, ones, tens, tenth, hundredth. Okay, first subtract hundredth place, then tenth place, then what ones, tens. Okay, but other all operations are what? Yes, just what? നമ്മുടെ സാധാ ഹോൾ നമ്പേഴ്സിന് എങ്ങനെയാണോ ചെയ്യുന്നത് അതുപോലെ തന്നെയാണ്. ഓക്കെ, 5 minus 5 0, 7 minus 2 equal to 5. Then put decimal. Then here 0 minus 8 is not possible. So one borrowing from the tens place. So 1 10 borrowing from there. So here but 1 10 we get. So 10 minus 8 equal to 2. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So our answer 2.5. Very clear? Subtraction is right. Yes. Then we move to our second question. What is 202.54 from 250? From 250. So answer question what? 250 minus 202.54. Okay. How can arrange this as column ways? Yes. First 250 decimal. Here after the decimal don't digit, so put zeros. Okay. Here after the decimal no digit, so here put zeros. Next. Here given next second number 202.54 minus. Okay. Then subtract 0 minus 4, that is not possible, so borrowing from here. Here also no value, so borrowing here. Here also no value, so borrowing from the tens place. So this 5 tens change to 4 tens. Here we get 10. Okay, this here 1 10 going where? Here. So here make 9. Then from here 110 gives here, so here also 9. Okay, so 10 minus 4, 9 minus 5, 9 minus 2, 5 minus 0, 2 minus 2. Okay, what is 10 minus 4? 6. What is 9 minus 5? 9 minus 5 is equal to 9 minus 5. Yes, 4. Then give decimal point. Here 9 only. 9 minus 2, but 7. Here only 4. 5 change to 4. That is 1. 10 borrowing from here. Okay. So this 4 minus 0 equal to 4. 2 minus 2, 0. So our answer was 47.46. So answer was 47.46. Okay, 47.46. Here comes 0 that have no value. Okay, so we have to write only what? 47.46. Okay, right. Let's write this question with the answer. Let's move to our next, our third question. 39.429 minus 21.354. Okay, 21.354. Okay, question. These two questions homework. Okay, these two questions homework. Question number 3 and 4 homework. Okay, now discuss question number 5. 315.78 minus 75.01. Okay, these two questions very simple. Okay, here give minus here given here 1.85 from 5.4. That is what is the first step? 5.46 minus 1.85. Okay, for last question. 315.78 minus 75.01. 75.01. Okay, subtract 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1, 7. 7 minus 0, 7. Decimal. Decimal point. 5 minus 5, 0. 1 minus 7, not possible. So hard. Borrowing from the nearest place. So this 3 changed to 10, changed to 2. Here this 1 changed to 11. Okay. 11 minus 7, that is 7 plus. 7 plus 8, 9, 10, 11. Answer 4. Okay. Then 2. No other. So answer 240.77. 240.77. Okay. Now addition and subtraction over. Okay, addition and subtraction understood? Yes. Write these two homework question also. Okay, first write this question with the answer, then write homework question with the answer. Okay, right. Yes, our next operation, mathematical operation, multiplication. Multiplication of decimal numbers. How can multiply two decimal numbers? Yes, first multiply them as a whole numbers. That is, avoid the what? Decimal number. Okay. First multiply them as a whole number. Or first question. Question number 1. 0.1 into 0.2. Okay. Here avoid the decimal number. That is 1 and 2. That is 1 into 2. So answer 2. 1 into 2. Okay. 0, 1, 0, 2. Avoid the decimal number. Here we get 0, 1, 0, 2. That means 1 into 2. That is equal to 2. Okay. Okay. So first what? നമ്മൾ decimal number avoid ചെയ്ത് normal multiplication. Okay, 1 into 2, 2. Okay, next count how many decimal numbers here have. Okay, 1, 2. How many digits? 1, 2. Okay, that is 2 decimal places here have. In this number, 1 place. In this number, 1 place. It is 1 plus 1, 2 places. Okay, here we get answer, that is 2. Okay, answer 2 kitty. Okay, so next we put that decimal places there. Okay, so 0.1 into 0.2 is equal to, we get here answer 2. Okay, then we put 2 decimal places here. Count from the where? Right side. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, ഇപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ നമുക്ക് ഒരൊറ്റ ഡിജിറ്റേ ഉള്ളൂ. നമുക്ക് 2 പ്ലേസസിന് decimal point കൊടുക്കണം. Okay, why? Here give 2 places. Here 1 place and here have another 1 place. So 1 plus 1, 2 places. Okay, so we put the answer. Answer നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? Put these 2 decimal places. Okay, so 1, 2, 2 decimal. Okay, 0.02 our answer. Okay, so first consider these numbers as a whole number, then multiply, then we get one product, then what? Then we put the what? That number of decimals. How many number of decimals here have? Only 2. Okay, then 2 decimal places give in your answer. Okay, clear? Then our second question, 21.1 multiplied by 5. Okay, that means 211 multiplied with 5. Okay, 05 means 5. 211 multiplied with 5. Okay, 1 into 5, 5. 1 into 5, 5. 2 5s are 10. We get 1055. Okay, that is here we get 211 into 5 is equal to 1055. In our question has how many decimals? 1, 2. 2 decimals. So we put decimal places. How many? Count from the right. 1, 2. Okay, so decimal place here. Answer 10.5. 10.55. 10.55. Are you okay? Yes. Then our third question. Yes, first write these four questions in your notebook. Then do question number 1 and 2. Okay, right. Yes, question number 3. Question number 3. 9.82 into 6. Here one whole number and one decimal number. Okay, here also consider these two as whole number. That is 982 into 6. 6 2s are 12. One balance. 8 6 are 48 plus 1 9. 4 9 6 are 6 9s are 54 plus 4 is equal to what? 58. Okay, 58. Okay, we get 5892. 5892. Here how many decimal point? Only 2 digits. 2 decimal points. 1, 2. After the decimal, 2 digits. Okay, so to here no decimal places. Okay, so here only 2. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, decimal point comes. So our answer 58.92. 58.92. Our last question. 2.7 into 4. 2.7 into 4. First this taken as the whole numbers. That is 27 into 4. 4 7s are 28. 2 balance 4 to 4 into 2 8. 8 plus 2 10. That is 108. 108. Okay, 108. Here how many decimal place? See, these are question. How many decimal place? 1 decimal place. Okay, so put 1 decimal. That is from the right. That is 1. Okay. Very simple multiplication. First, that given decimal numbers consider as what? Whole numbers. Whole number at consider the multiply. Okay. Then we check in our question how many decimals. The decimal point digits on the here 1, 2. 2 places. So here we put what? 2 places for the answer. That is here we get 1 into 2, 2. Then put 2 decimal places. But here have it from the right side in the number count it is 1 place. Then second place. So 0.02. Second place digits numbers illa 0. Okay, clear? Then next. Okay, multiplication very simple. Are you clear? Yes. Then write these two questions. Then write homework question. Page number 52. Page number 52 in our textbook. Exercise 2.6. Exercise 2.6. Question number 1 and question number 5. Okay, first and last question. These are your homework question from the multiplication. Okay, page number 52, exercise 2.6, question number 1 and 5. Okay, clear? Yes. Well, if you understood multiplication, addition and subtraction of whole numbers. Yes. Yes, right? All and study very well. Okay. Now I wind up the class. We will meet again in the next class. Okay. Thank you.